Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Spongeotable Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily sink caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Satisfaction guaranteed. The Sicily kitchen sink organizer is ready to use upon receipt. No installation required, and is widely used on counters or bathrooms, making it a satisfying gift. If you have any questions during use, please consult our customer service staff. We want to provide you with a pleasant shopping experience. Silicone oven mitt set. Durable, heat-resistant silicone. The KitchenAid ribbed soft silicone mitts are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to safely shield hands from the heat while cooking and handling hot pans and dishes. Waterproof, slip-resistant. These silicone mitts are water-resistant for additional protection from hot spills and spots with a textured, ribbed stripe design for a safe and secure grip. Set of 2 includes two generously sized oven mitts that each measures 7 wide x 13 long for a comfortable fit. Additional protection comfort. The 100% cotton cuff provides additional protection from the heat with polyester lining that offers comfort and insulation. Easy care. These KitchenAid oven mitts can be easily cleaned. Simply rinse off with water and wipe them clean. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Meat chopper. Amazing meat chopper. Still struggling to chop and crumble meats when cooking? Kunson Meat Chopper features 5 beveled pinwheel blades, helping you chop and crumble food easier and faster, saving you time and effort. Its sturdy structure enables it to achieve more than 1,000 times quick chops, mixes, and mashes. Durable for long-lasting use. Easy to use. Grab the meat masher. Press 5 blades into the meat, stir slightly, and mash to the consistency you want. Use the angled blade to scrape any remaining meat from the sides of cookware. Then, you quickly get 1 dish of perfect ground meat. Much easier than using spatula or spoon. The ergonomic, non-slip grip makes chopping and mixing a breeze. Easy to clean. Our ground beef smasher is made of food-grade nylon that is non-stick, odorless, and BPA-free. It ensures that food particles don't get stuck, making cleaning up quick and easy. Simply put it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand with a little soap and water. Kitchen cutting board. Ultra durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops. Food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with U.S. regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time and boards will not break down. Cooking spatula set. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can be used in any type of food, and it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. These silicone cooking utensils do not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. Best kitchen tools. One-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. 33 different shape for its unique function would be your great kitchen helper. A small holes on the handles for easy storage. Extra 10 PCS hooks and utensils holder for convenient storage. A silicone mat provide you more convenience. Great presents for anyone who loves to cook. Also good present set for your friend, family. Chicken breast shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip. More effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Auto electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation, smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends, suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. 2-slice toaster. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings accommodate individual preferences. Extra wide slots for bagels and thicker slices. Each slot measures 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide. Bagel setting for toasting just the cut side. Frozen setting for defrosting bread. Cancel function ends the session at any time. Buttons illuminate to indicate selected settings. Extra lift lever for safely removing smaller pieces. 37-inch power cord when routed out the back. Cord wrap when not in use. Removable crumb tray located in the back for easy cleaning. Product dimensions. Approximately 11 into 6.5 into 7.5 inches. LXWXH.